Hi friends, welcome to Wisdom Online Max channel. Good morning to all of you. Let us see the yesterday's puzzle is the Hondal solve this puzzle. The puzzle winners are solution of the puzzle is use any mathematical signs and try to prove how 6 is coming on the right hand side. Mathematical signs means the fundamental operations are plus, minus, into and division. Along with those one, so many operations signs are there. That means square, square root, cube root, factorial, sigma, like that all will call the mathematical signs. We have to be use any one of those one, and we have to be prove how 6 is coming on right hand side. From this one, first line 1 1 1 3 ones are there, so I am adding first all those one and I am applying factorial for the sum. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, that is equal to 3 factorial. 3 factorial, the formula of n factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial. That means if it is 5 factorial means 5 into 5 minus 1 factorial. That is equal to 5 into 4 factorial you will get. 4 factorial, again you have to be apply the formula again this one. So 5 into 4 minus 1 factorial. That means 5 into 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial. Like this it will be continuous until the 1. 3, 2, 1. That means 1 factorial is 0 factorial is equal to 1 you will get. No, so it will be end here with 1 only. So here 3 factorial means the formula is 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6 is the answer. Like that 6 is coming on RHS. Next, second line, if you observe 3 2's are there, we have to be use those 3 2's and we have to be get 6. How 6 is coming means, if I add all those 3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. So simple operation, add only all those 3 given 3 2's. Next, 3 use 3 3's. How it is coming right hand side 3 means, if I read here into 3 9, from that 9 if I subtract 3 then I will get 6. Bottommost rule, you have to give the preference first for multiplications and divisions from left hand to right hand side. I told that before only. If you have any doubt, please check in my playlist. Bottommost rule one video is there. Okay. Next, see the third, fourth line. You have to be use 3 4's and how it is coming right hand side 6 means I am applying the square root first. After that I adding square root of 4 is 2 plus 2 plus 2, like that 6 will come. Okay. Next 5, use 3 5's and try to get 6. That means here I am applying here division. 5 divided by 5 is 1. For that one if I add plus 5, so that I will get 6. Okay. Next 6 is there, use 3 6 and try to get 6 means here I am doing here into 3 into 6 into 3, 6 into 6, 36. That 36 is divided by 6 means again 6 I will get. So RHS 6 is coming. Next 7. 7 we have to be use 3 sevens and getting 6 means this 3 sevens how I am using means 7 minus 7 means 7 minus 7 here 0 will come, it won't possible here. 7 divided by 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1. From this 7 if I subtract 1 then I will get 6. According to the BODMAS, first we should be apply for the division operation. We can't able to apply 7 minus 7 first. First you have to be do 7 divided by 7. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 6 you will get. Okay. Next 8. Here it is little bit difficult. See how it is coming means. For this use 3 8s. From those 3 8s, here I applied last 2 square root. I am adding and applying the square root. For this one, again I am applying the square root. For the outer side 8 is there, no, for that one I am subtracting. That means 8 minus, first simplify the inside the brackets. Inside the brackets if I simplify it, square root of 16 I will get. So 8 minus square root of 16 is 4. Again for this one root is there, no. So 8 minus root 4 is 2. So 8 minus 2, 6. Like that 6 will come. Among all those lines, this 8 only little bit difficult. Okay. Next, use 3 9s. It is very easy. If it same the third line how it is coming. The same operations I am going to apply here. 9 2 and minus. Here 3 is there. Here 9 is there. Simply apply the square root. That means square root of 9 into 9 is 9 minus square root of 9 is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So these are the possible way of using the symbols and trying getting the number 6. Okay. If you like these videos, please give one like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thank you for watching. Today's puzzle is observe the picture carefully and try to give the answer. Please give one like. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting instant notifications. Thank you for watching. Your time starts now.
Minus 30 seconds. T minus 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.